Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through the quick and easy process to allow specific people to see your last seen status on Telegram web based on the latest update. If you want to keep your privacy while still letting certain contacts view your activity, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram web on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's your main menu button. Click on it. Next, go to Settings. Inside this menu, select Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy controls are located, including how your last seen and online status is displayed to others. Now click on Last Seen and Online. You'll see several options here. For the best control, choose Nobody. That means no one will be able to see your last seen or online time, at least for now. After that, it's time to create exceptions. Click on Always Allow. This option lets you manually pick the contacts who should still be able to view your last seen, even though everyone else can't. Once the list appears, select the specific users you want to allow. You can type their names or scroll through your contact list. Take a moment to double-check your selections to be sure you're only granting access to people you trust. When you're done, confirm the step to save your changes. Telegram will instantly apply the new settings.